Welcome to my channel. Intermittent fasting offers several health benefits. It can promote weight loss, improve insulin sensitivity, reduce inflammation, enhance brain health, and support cardiovascular health. Additionally, intermittent fasting may stimulate autophagy, a cellular process that aids in cellular repair and rejuvenation. It can also simplify meal planning and promote mindful eating. However, it's important to note that intermittent fasting may not be suitable for everyone, and individual results may vary. Consulting with a healthcare professional or registered dietitian is recommended before starting intermittent fasting to ensure it aligns with individual needs and goals. Before starting, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more future updates. So, let's start. Number 10. Simplified meal planning. Simplified meal planning involves streamlining the process of deciding what to eat, making it more efficient and stress-free. By adopting a simplified approach, individuals can create meal plans that are easy to follow, incorporating nutritious and balanced meals without excessive complexity. This can involve meal prepping, batch cooking, or focusing on simple recipes with minimal ingredients. Simplified meal planning helps save time, reduce decision fatigue, and promotes healthier eating habits by prioritizing whole foods and minimizing reliance on processed or convenience foods. Number 9. Reduced oxidative stress. Reduced oxidative stress is beneficial for overall health and well-being. Oxidative stress occurs when there is an imbalance between free radicals and antioxidants in the body, leading to cellular damage and inflammation. By reducing oxidative stress, individuals can mitigate the risk of chronic diseases such as cardiovascular conditions, neurodegenerative disorders, and certain types of cancer. Healthy lifestyle practices, including a balanced diet rich in antioxidants, regular exercise, stress management, and adequate sleep, can help reduce oxidative stress and promote optimal health. Number 8. Longevity and aging. Intermittent fasting has been linked to potential benefits for longevity and aging. By promoting cellular repair, reducing inflammation, and improving metabolic health, intermittent fasting may contribute to a longer and healthier life. The process of autophagy triggered during fasting can help remove damaged cells and promote cellular rejuvenation. Additionally, intermittent fasting's impact on insulin sensitivity and oxidative stress reduction may help delay age-related diseases and support healthy aging. However, more research is needed to fully understand the long-term effects of intermittent fasting on longevity and aging. Number 7. Improved heart health. Intermittent fasting may offer benefits for heart health. By promoting weight loss, improving insulin sensitivity, and reducing inflammation, intermittent fasting can positively impact cardiovascular health. It may help lower blood pressure, improve cholesterol levels, and reduce the risk of heart disease. Intermittent fasting also supports healthy weight management, which is crucial for heart health. However, it's important to note that individual results may vary, and consulting with a healthcare professional is advised, especially for individuals with existing heart conditions. Number 6. Lower blood pressure. Intermittent fasting has been associated with lower blood pressure levels, which is beneficial for cardiovascular health. By promoting weight loss, reducing insulin resistance, and decreasing inflammation, intermittent fasting can help manage blood pressure. It may also improve overall vascular function and reduce the risk of hypertension, a major risk factor for heart disease and stroke. However, it's essential to consult with a healthcare professional, especially if you have pre-existing medical conditions or are taking medications for blood pressure management. Number 5. Increased autophagy. Intermittent fasting can stimulate autophagy, a cellular process that helps remove damaged cells and promote cellular rejuvenation. Autophagy plays a crucial role in maintaining cellular health and has been linked to various health benefits. By clearing out dysfunctional components and supporting cellular recycling, autophagy may contribute to improved immune function, reduced inflammation, and a lower risk of age-related diseases. Intermittent fasting acts as a natural trigger for autophagy, providing potential benefits for overall health and longevity. Number 4. Enhanced brain health. Intermittent fasting can stimulate autophagy, a cellular process that helps remove damaged cells and promote cellular rejuvenation. Autophagy plays a crucial role in maintaining cellular health and has been linked to various health benefits. By clearing out dysfunctional components and supporting cellular recycling, autophagy may contribute to improved immune function, reduced inflammation, and a lower risk of age-related diseases. Intermittent fasting acts as a natural trigger for autophagy, providing potential benefits for overall health and longevity. Number 3. Reduced inflammation. Intermittent fasting has been associated with reduced inflammation in the body. By allowing periods of fasting, it helps regulate the body's inflammatory response. Chronic inflammation is linked to various diseases, including heart disease, diabetes, and autoimmune disorders. Intermittent fasting may lower levels of pro-inflammatory markers such as C-reactive protein and interleukin-6. This reduction in inflammation can contribute to improved overall health, reduced disease risk, and better management of inflammatory conditions. However, individual responses may vary, and further research is needed to fully understand the impact of intermittent fasting on inflammation. Number 2. Improved insulin sensitivity. Intermittent fasting has shown positive effects on insulin sensitivity, which is crucial for maintaining stable blood sugar levels and reducing the risk of type 2 diabetes. By cycling between fasting and eating periods, intermittent fasting can improve the body's response to insulin, allowing cells to efficiently absorb glucose from the bloodstream. This can lead to better blood sugar control, reduced insulin resistance, and improved metabolic health. However, it's important to consult with a healthcare professional, especially if you have diabetes or are taking medication for blood sugar management, before incorporating intermittent fasting into your routine. Number 1. Weight loss. Intermittent fasting is known for its potential to promote weight loss. By restricting the eating window or implementing alternate day fasting, it helps create a calorie deficit, leading to reduced body weight and fat loss. Additionally, intermittent fasting may increase fat burning and boost metabolism. It can also help preserve lean muscle mass, which is important for sustainable weight loss. However, it's important to maintain a balanced diet and consider individual needs and preferences when incorporating intermittent fasting for weight loss. Consulting with a healthcare professional or registered dietitian is advised. This is it for today's video. What do you think of our video? Feel free to share your thoughts in the comment section below. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more future updates. Thanks for watching.